Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a super exciting topic to cover: how to design a Shopify website. If you're an entrepreneur looking to create an awesome and user-friendly online store, then this video is a must-watch for you. So let's dive right in. All right, first things first, planning. This is where you get to map out your online store's look and feel based on your brand's personality and the key performance indicators IPSU want to focus on. Think about stuff like conversion rate, customer satisfaction, and bounce rate. Keeping these KPIs in mind throughout the design process will help guide your decisions and ensure your website's success. The right theme for your Shopify store. Now, it's time to choose the perfect theme for your Shopify store. Your theme sets the foundation for your online store and plays a huge role in shaping the user experience and brand identity. You'll find a bunch of options in the Shopify theme store, from free themes to fancy paid ones. Using a professional Shopify web designer. But if you want to kick things up a notch, working with a professional Shopify web designer is the way to go. They'll create a unique e-commerce experience just for your brand. No need to worry about technical stuff or using the same themes as everyone else. But keep in mind that professional Shopify design agencies will charge from $5,000 to $20,000 for a custom-designed Shopify website. Setting the layout of your Shopify web design. The layout is key to boosting those conversion rates. Smartly, place your call to action buttons and an essential info like contact details. Keep your pages clean and simple to guide your visitors through a smooth buying journey. Here are some more tips to help you create an effective layout for your Shopify store. Keep it simple and clean. Highlight important information. Consider mobile responsiveness. Streamline user journey. Establish a clear visual hierarchy. Best Shopify web design apps. Now, let's talk about Shopify Apps U. They're essential for adding cool features to your store. But don't go crazy with too many apps, all right? Too much clutter can slow down your website. Check out categories like loyalty, customer support, marketing, and more to find the right apps for you. Brand identity. As you're wrapping things up, take a moment to make sure your design matches your brand's vibe. Web design is kind of subjective, so getting feedback from others can be really helpful. You want to leave a lasting impression on your customers, right? What to look for when picking a Shopify theme. When selecting a Shopify theme for your online store, it's essential to ensure that it includes all the necessary components and features to meet your business requirements. Here are some key components you should look for in a Shopify theme. Hero section. The hero section is like the star of your homepage. It's the perfect spot to show off your best-selling products or tell people what makes your brand special. Use stunning images or videos with catchy text to grab your visitors' attention. Trending products. Let's give some love to your most popular or newest products. In the featured products section, customers can quickly see what's trending and get inspired to explore more and maybe even make a purchase. Categories and collections. Time to get organized. The website should sort your products into easy-to-find categories and collections, making it a breeze for customers to discover what they're looking for. Product pages. This is where the magic happens. Your product pages should be super informative and eye-catching. Show off those high-res product images, add detailed descriptions, pricing, and any choices available. Don't forget a big add to cart button for that extra oomph. Customer reviews and testimonials. Let's build some trust. Featuring customer reviews and testimonials will make potential buyers feel good about their decision. Positive feedback from happy customers can boost confidence in your store. About Us and contact. Tell your story. An About Us page is a great place to share your brand's personality, mission, and values. And hey, don't forget to provide contact details like email, phone number, and social media links so your customers can reach out easily. What else to look for when picking a Shopify theme? Loading speed. The best Shopify themes for dropshipping should be light and optimized for super fast page load times. A faster website not only makes things better for users, but also helps you rank higher on Google and keeps your customers coming back. Remember, people hate waiting for sites to load, and even a tiny delay can make them bounce. So stay away from themes with lots of extra stuff like busy loaders and unnecessary animation. MobileFriendly Theme. Did you know more than 50% of sales happen on mobile devices? So having a mobile-friendly theme is a must. Your Shopify theme should look awesome and work like a charm on smartphones and tablets. Luckily, most modern themes are already set up for both desktop and mobile, making life easier for you and your customers. Consider your budget and resources. Trying to think about your budget and what you've got to work with. If you're on a tight budget or not a design whiz, no worries. Just go for a simple and easy-to-edit Shopify theme that comes with good support and documentation. Even the free themes can do wonders. They're designed to convert, even if they're not super fancy. And hey, see if the theme offers enough customization to make it feel like your own. Updates and support. The online world keeps changing, so you need a Shopify theme that keeps up. Look for a theme that gets regular updates and has solid support. Check out reviews from other buyers to see how the theme performs and how the support team handles things. View your products. Before you hit that download button, take a peek at how your products will show up with a new theme. Sometimes those fancy demo images don't match what you've got. For instance, if your product pics aren't top-notch, maybe avoid themes with huge product image sections for now. Aesthetically appealing design. Looks matter, my friend. Keep things simple and functional for your dropshipping store. A clean and minimalist design often works like magic to convert potential customers. Look for themes with the basics, like a featured product section, a way to show off sales, a clear shopping cart icon, and easy navigation. And there you have it, your guide on how to design a Shopify website, from planning to theme selection and app integration. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to create a well-designed and powerful online store. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help.